Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let's learn a Python program, that is write a Python script to display the sum and reverse of a given number. So given a number, so you have to find the sum of all the digits present in the number and also reverse the given number. So let's take a number as a for demo purpose. So I'll be taking 1 2 3 4. So let's try to find the sum of the digits of a number, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So that is equals to 10. So 1 plus 2 is 3 and 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10, and reverse of a number is, so manually we can say 4 3 2 1 is the reverse. So these are the two tasks you have to print. So that is a 10, and also you have to print the reverse of a number. So let's try to solve this. So let me take a variable number and ask a user to enter a number. So I'll be using the input function call, and let's ask a user to enter a number. Yeah, so once the user enters a number, so let's convert from string to an integer type. So yeah, so it will be stored in the number variable. So yeah, so now let's take two variables, that is total, in order to store the sum of digits of a number. So total is equals to 0, and let's use reverse and another variable, and let's initialize it to 0. Yeah, so once we are done with taking the variables, so let's use a while loop while number is not equals to 0. So I'll be repeating the while loop until the given number is not equals to 0. So what I'll do is I have to take a temporary variable, that is last digit, in order to get the last digit of a number. So let's use number modulus 10. So this will give me the last digit of a number. So now once we get the last digit of a number, so we have to add it to the total, that is total equals to total plus the last digit. Yeah, so this is how you calculate the sum of digits of a number. So in order to calculate the reverse, so let's take reverse. Reverse equals to the reverse multiplied by 10, and you have to add the last digit to it. So this is how you try to calculate the reverse of a number. So once we are done using the last digit, so we have to take out the last digit from a number. So in order to take out the last digit from the number, so let's use a true division, that is number equals to number true divided by 10. Yeah, so this is the statements you have to write inside the while loop. So once the while loop is completed, so you will be having two variables, that is total and reverse. So let's print it. So let me use a print function call, and sum of digits of number is, so let's give colon, and here let's print the total, that is a variable, and let's again print, that is the reverse of number is, let's give colon, and let's print the reverse of a number. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to display the sum of digits of a number and also the reverse of a given number. So let me execute this. So enter a number, so let's give 1 2 3 4. So you can see sum of digits of a number is 10, and reverse of a number is 4 3 2 1. Let me execute again, and let's give 5 6 7 8. So you can see sum of digits of a number 5 6 7 8 is 26, and reverse of a number is 8 7 6 5. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to display the sum and reverse of a given number. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.